Hey everyone, have you ever wished you could learn anything, and I mean anything, faster than anyone else? Like picking up a new language, mastering a hobby, or even nailing that work skill in record time? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can hack your learning process so you can get there faster, smarter, and with way less frustration. Let me start with a quick story. A couple of years ago, I decided to learn how to play guitar. I'm talking zero experience, never touched a string in my life, but I wanted to jam with my friends. The problem? I thought I'd need years of practice, hours and hours every day. Total overwhelm. Then I found some learning hacks that changed the game for me. Instead of grinding forever, I focused on the right techniques and actually got good in just a few weeks. So what's the secret sauce? Myth busting the 10,000 hour rule. You've probably heard the 10,000 hours to mastery rule, right? That sounds like a lifetime. And yeah, it applies if you want to become a world-class pro. But if you just want to learn something well, fast, you don't need to wait that long. Research actually shows that with just about 20 hours of focused practice, you can go from newbie to pretty darn good at almost anything. That's right, 20 hours. That's just 30 minutes a day for a month. Step 1. Break it down. Deconstruct the skill. The first step to learning faster is to break the skill down. Most things we think of as one big skill are actually made of smaller pieces. Take guitar again. Instead of trying to master every song and every chord at once, start with the most important chords. Learn just a handful that you'll use all the time, then practice switching between them. This focused, bite-sized approach lets you get results quickly and keeps you motivated, because seeing progress is the best fuel for your brain. Step 2. Learn just enough to practice and self-correct. Next up, don't get stuck trying to learn everything before you start practicing. It's tempting to read tons of books or watch hours of videos before picking up the guitar, but that's procrastination in disguise. Instead, get just enough info to start practicing. As you practice, you'll notice mistakes, and that's gold. When you spot errors early, you can fix them and improve much faster. So gather 3 to 5 solid resources, but then jump in and play. Adjust as you go. Step 3. Remove distractions and create a practice zone. You know that feeling when you sit down to study or practice and your phone buzzes every 5 minutes? Yeah, that kills your focus. To learn faster, you need to create distraction-free zones. Turn off notifications, clear your workspace, and set a timer for focused practice. Even 20 to 30 minutes without interruptions makes a massive difference. Think of it like giving your brain a quiet place to build strong connections instead of constantly switching gears. Step 4. Commit to 20 hours and push through the frustration barrier. Here's the truth. The beginning is the hardest part. When you start learning something new, you'll feel awkward, slow, and maybe even frustrated. That feeling is normal. It means your brain is rewiring. The key is to commit upfront to practicing for at least 20 hours. Promise yourself you won't quit when it's tough, because once you get past that I feel stupid phase, everything starts clicking. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at how much you can improve in just a month. Bonus tip. Use real-life practice and fun challenges to keep things interesting. Try using what you learn in real life as soon as possible. Want to learn a new language? Try ordering food in that language or chatting with a friend online. Challenge yourself with mini goals like learning a song on the guitar or holding a 5-minute conversation. These practical experiences not only boost your skills, they make learning enjoyable and meaningful. Wrap up and motivation. So here's the bottom line. Learning faster isn't about cramming or burning yourself out. It's about smart, focused, and consistent effort, breaking down skills, practicing with purpose, cutting distractions, and pushing through the tough early days. You don't need to be a genius or have tons of free time. You just need 20 hours and a plan. What skill will you start learning today? Let me know in the comments. And hey, have fun with it, because the best learning happens when you enjoy the process. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. See you next time.